Gifts are generally taxable to the donor, but there's an annual gift tax exclusion for gifts that confer a present interest in gifted property and fall below a specified financial threshold, which changes over time. In Estate of Cristofani versus Commissioner, we explore the intersection of the present interest requirement and trusts. Maria Cristofani had 2 children, Frank and Lillian, and 5 grandchildren. When she created an irrevocable trust to benefit Frank and Lillian, the trust stipulated that for 15 days following any contribution, each adult child and minor grandchild could withdraw an amount up to the annual gift tax exclusion, at the time $10,000. In 1984, Maria contributed an interest in real property to the trust, valued at $70,000. She did the same in 1985. Neither the children nor the grandchildren made withdrawals during the withdrawal windows. Consequently, Maria's contributions remained in the trust. Per the trust's terms, any net income was distributed to Frank and Lillian at regular intervals, and when Maria died, the trust corpus was to be divided equally between Frank and Lillian or between their children if Frank or Lillian predeceased Maria. After Maria's death, her estate timely filed a federal estate tax return. The return didn't report Maria's contributions as taxable gifts. Instead, for each year, the return included 7 gift tax exclusions of $10,000 each. The claimed exclusions were based on the 2 children and 5 grandchildren's right to each make a withdrawal after contributions. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue accepted the exclusions for the gifts to the children, but not to the grandchildren. The grandchildren didn't make withdrawals, and their only other interest in the trust was a contingent remainder if their parent predeceased Maria. The Commissioner therefore determined there wasn't a transfer of a present interest supporting gift tax exclusions. The estate challenged that determination in the United States Tax Court.